Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. And if you want to feel like you are sleeping on a silky cloud, then get these sheets from DOZ by SIJO.
These 100% viscose bamboo sheets are so buttery soft and incredible to sleep in. They are perfect if you are a hot sleeper, which I am, so I can attest that these have been so cozy and cooling. And I love that these are a little bit thicker than other bamboo sheets that I've tried because I have a bunch of pets who sleep in the bed with me, and these are really going to stand up to the abuse. I love that they have these great, really heavy duty elastic around the entire bed, which means when you go to put them on, they are not going to be jumping off the bed in the night. And I really also appreciate how the pillows have this great lip on the inside. So the same thing, they are not going to slide out from the pillowcase while you're sleeping. They are just so luxurious. You are literally never going to want to get out of bed once you start sleeping in these sheets. Trust me.
So if you want to have the most luxurious night's sleep, you need to get these sheets. I cannot recommend them highly enough. And that is my point of view.